So the Galaxy Unpacked event has just finished and we got a bunch of really cool tech from Samsung this year. Some of those products will be unboxed and reviewed here on the channel, so be sure to smash that subscribe button so that you know when those videos go live. But to begin with, I want to talk about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra because this is a smartphone that quite a lot of you have been asking about. Without going into the depth, I just want to focus on some quick specs. To begin with, we get a 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus 120Hz adaptive display that comes with that punch hole design. We also get on the back a triple camera made up of a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 108 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel telephoto, and also laser autofocus, so that should help with better shots overall. Now, interesting, this year we get 50x zoom as opposed to the 100x on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, so I'm keen to test that out, and more importantly on the quality of the final photos and videos from that camera. Now, as well as that, it's powered by 12 gigabytes of RAM. It comes with either the Exynos 990 or the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. Plus, we also get 256 or 512 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. This year, we've had an update to the S Pen, so we're getting improvement in latency, and that S Pen is going to be able to be used across the UI as opposed to just specific apps. It also has a whopping 4,500 milliamp hour battery. So again, keen to test that out in my full review. Now, as far as this year's colors, we get 3 colors. This, I think, is the flagship color, the Mystic Bronze. This is certainly going to be the more popular out of all of the colors. It's got this matte pink salmon kind of effect, and obviously the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra devices are made up of glass and metal, so I think Samsung have done a good job with this particular color. It comes complete with the matching S Pen, which is in this case Mystic Bronze as well. Definitely a color that a lot of people will be going for this year. Now, this is the second color, Mystic Black. Certainly cool in the sense that it looks like a blacked out version, but it's gonna be a fingerprint magnet, so something to be aware of on this color. Also, I really like the way Samsung have done the blacked out version to the metallic part on this phone. It looks really cool. Certainly a blacked out version of the Note 20 Ultra if you want to go with this, and it comes complete with the matching S Pen as well in all black. Now, the third color is Mystic White, probably my favorite out of the 3, and I love this because of the contrast of the color. As you can see here, it's got that beautiful white color glass back panel, and that contrasts the camera bump but also the sides, which is this polished kind of finish. Certainly a very good color combination. But let me know what you think. Which is your favorite color out of the 3? Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, or Mystic White? Leave your comments in the comment section down below, and if you're new around here, be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit like to see more videos as they drop. Until next time, I'm EMKWAN here with a quick look at the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra colors. Peace and blessings.